Oh.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Brigsdale, or 27 miles northeast of Greeley, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. Locations of hazards include Purcell, Gailton, Brigsdale, and Barnesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm.
Oh.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I can hear a little bit of 94.3.
Yeah, I got
Remember,
Hey, yep, 99.1.
with this storm, and may lead to flood.
I can hear a little bit of 999.
wow. He was on good. Night music. Year olds. Eso tenemos doctores y you apply company is your trusted.
That's where it comes from.